Hey YouTubers, Jesse Clinton coming from Wounded Wing. Here today to attempt my first review on a product that I am really excited about because I had some smaller scale ones that were kind of a little bit more sloppier, really cheap, and this one is actually, to me, toy grade / hobby grade, and I will explain why on the breakdown, so stay tuned. So, here we have it, Q35. Got some instructions on the box here, just simple instructions. Probably use this more than, or you'd be like me, not even read the instructions. Instructions are pretty self-explanatory. If the car doesn't turn on, make sure it's plugged in. If it still doesn't turn on, make sure you have the on button on the on position. Pretty simple. But this is what it looked like when I opened it. I've already opened it in test drive, of course. Comes with a manual. It's your charger. Very convenient there. It is a LiPo charger, 2S, if I'm not mistaken. And it comes with a, never have too many of these little screwdrivers. In the world of Jesse over here, those come up missing with kids all the time. So, manual, box. That bad. Very nice controller. Got your left and right trim there. Binds itself. I don't think it's bound. I do not have it plugged in. Forward and backwards trim. Don't know what the heck. Has some kind of camera mode on there. That's strange. It looks like a camera to me. Or that is a battery symbol. I do not know. Don't worry about that. We don't worry about the small stuff. Let's look inside of this bad boy. This little bad boy. I had a little $15 RC car. Wasn't this nice, of course, but I had bought them for all my kids at one time too. I got 3 older kids and 2 youngsters, no, 5 altogether. So when I get in these little micro things, I always get my older kids them too, so I can have some fun with them also. Kind of a pain in the butt with the cotter pins. I wish they had some bigger cotter pins, which is a little bit easier accessible. You have to take off the entire body in order to get to all this stuff here. And in order to take the battery out, which you don't have to take it out, you can just plug this into the wall, USB port. I'm dropping little spacers. These are the little spacers. They go into the springs, I'm assuming, to tighten the tension on it. I don't know. I don't know the difference when you do stuff like that, especially when it's just cheap spring loaded like it is. Air plastic springs, it's just your typical grade right there. This is interesting right here though. This is interesting. And what I found fascinating was the steering on this is digital proportion. Like 25 years ago, digital proportion first came out, was high quality. You're spending $300 to $400 on an RC car if you want digital proportion. Now, you know, GearBest sells this for, like, I think it's on sale right now for 35 bucks, and I bought them off of Banggood, of course, for 42 bucks, which wish I did buy it from GearBest. I probably would have gotten here a lot sooner, before Christmas. It came after Christmas with Banggood. Well, disappointed Banggood, but this is what we're looking at here. Battery, I want to see the milliamps and see if it has some kind of punch rating on here. I'm always interested on punch ratings. This is just a generic LiPo battery. Yeah, got some rubber housing on the wires. It's okay quality. But this is a 2-cell battery. I couldn't tell you how many milliamps. It does not say. It just gives you a bunch of warning signs. Do not leave these out in the open. Do not leave them unattended when you charge them. Burn your house down. I stress that on my kids enough. But that's nice though. That's nice. You might be, you know, it's got the balance port right there, so you can use a balance charger on that and charge it up a little bit quicker, probably quicker than the USB cord. And, you know, you might even be able to fit a better quality battery in there if you play around with it. What I didn't understand quite, you know, what I didn't understand fully was there's ports on this little servo dealie that can be plugged in. I have no idea. Maybe for cameras? I don't know. It's a 4-port right there. No, it's a 3-port. That's for your LiPo. That's where you plug in your LiPo battery. It has got to be for a VTX. I want to say it's for a high-power VTX. I could be wrong. I don't know. I get a kick out of this right here, though. This right here, golden. That's what makes it the digital proportion, the cast aluminum going on right here. This thing's sturdy. Yeah, it's got a flimsy front bumper, but the thing's so small, you know. If you look at my hobby grade zombie, very similar. But not too snazzy, not too snazzy. That's what we got. This is a brushed motor, of course. Need a Phillips head screwdriver to take off all the thing. They're not Allen's. All the arms and everything are all plastic. So little though. I mean, it looks like a good platform to upgrade, which is my favorite thing to do is upgrade. But this is nice. My whole goal is to take these, all 4 of them. I got my other 3 older kids these same things, and I always end up putting one of these micro cameras on. I just can't help myself. You get one of these, you either hook it up like this. Is what I did on the little 132 scale ones that I had, and I swear to you not, looking through the FPV goggles with these little micro cameras makes it look like you're driving in warp speed. It is just fun. It is fun. But you know, you get yourself a little 1-cell battery, hook it up to that. I'm probably end up doing some 2.0 pH pigtails coming off of this right here, just so I can hook up the battery. Probably hook that up right like so, and then Velcro it, and or sticky tape it, Velcro it, and then I'm going to put a little 1-cell, one of my 260 or 250 milliamp ones, and this camera will probably, without the batteries run out, probably last at least a good 30 minutes. If you just have it running just off of this. Now if you're a tiny whooper, of course it's only going to last a few minutes because you're running off the motors too. But just going through the VTX and the goggles, that should last probably about 30-40 minutes. Hook up a little battery, and that is it. That is it. You are good to go. See, I've been collecting them for a while. Even bought an extra one over here too. Oh, we are going to have some fun. Hold on, don't go yet. Alright, so we're outside. I'm on my nifty little Segway here, and we are going to do a speed check. Alright, JJ, this is my son, JJ the Jet. We're going to be racing these things here pretty soon on FPV. Now, alright, when I say go, you go ahead and go, and you try to drive it as straight as possible, and I'm going to chase it on my Segway. My Segway will only top out at 12.5 miles an hour. Everybody's been saying that these little Q36s go 20 miles an hour. I don't think so. I think they might reach maybe 13, 14, maybe 15 miles an hour. All right, you ready?
Yeah, there's a rock for me.
You sure? Dodge that rock. Ready? Go. All right, stop. You can't even see that far. You're forward. Bring it up. Bring it to the driveway. Go forward. Okay. Turn towards you. All right, not yet. Go. Yeah, I'm catching it though. Okay, so there you have it. It goes a little bit faster. JJ goes a little bit faster, right? Definitely starts off a little bit faster. Oh, there's my other butthead that's going to be racing here. There's going to be a prize, this FPV race. So we're going to be doing that here in the next week or two.
I'm going to win. He does stuff to his RC.
So there you have it. That's the Q36. I tested speed out on my Segway. It started off a lot faster, but I was kind of got my full speed, and it was pulling away a little bit. So I would say this thing's probably about maybe 14, topping out 15 miles an hour. The battery compartment on this thing is designed to hold slightly bigger batteries, so you can upgrade the batteries on this. One thing I wanted to, I don't know if I mentioned it before in the video, but not only does it have visual proportion around the steering, but also in the throttle too. So a lot of these cheap toys, a lot of these cheap RCs that you get, it's either going to be a jerky left or jerky right, or full throttle or full reverse. These things have come a long ways within time. I mean, I remember one of my first RCs, it only can turn left. So you had to back up forward in order to make a right-hand turn. It's just weird. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna make a video and stuff of me and my kids racing, and we probably put up a little prize for it. They'll probably win something of some sort. Who knows? It's my kids spying on me. They're not supposed to be in Dad's garage. No, sir. If y'all are wondering what why I call it Wounded Wing is, I am a wounded vet. You know this, don't you? I'm 100%. I got a really messed up arm, and obviously, you know, my leg's a little bit messed up. It's not there. But Wounded Wing is a website or a organization that I'm going to try to start up later on to provide RCs, tiny whoops, these little things with FPV cameras to wounded vets as they heal up in the hospital after they come out from deployments, whatnot. So if you like this video, subscribe. There's going to be more footage. This is my first. I put other videos out before, but I took them down just because of low quality. No, this is my first thing. I'm sorry about the lousy videography. I'm actually going to be going to school for that here pretty soon. But yeah, enjoy. Salam alaikum. Happy New Year. And we'll be there.